Hi, this is Darin Talbot, aka Mr. Tahoe.
And Paul Hamilton, flight instructor.
We're going to take you above and around Tahoe.
So come fly with us.
Let's go!
One thing that's so fantastic about being above Tahoe the way we are right now, up in the air, is that you can see the amazing depth changes in the water. Lake Tahoe has shallow spots for sure, but most of the lake is very deep. When you see it drop off, it just drops off like that. And boom, down several hundred feet almost everywhere very quickly. Of course, Round Hill is called Round Hill because of the round hill. If it was a square hill, it probably would have been called Square Hill. Oh, this is great. Fantastic view of the South Shore here in Lake Tahoe. Nevada Beach right below us here, and in the forefront you can see Edgewood Golf Course in the distance. Of course, the big casinos located on State Line here in South Lake Tahoe. The reason why the casinos are here on the South Lake is because of the border of Nevada and California here on the South Lake, and also because of the Lincoln Highway, which was the only road that even came close to Lake Tahoe in the old days. The most famous casino is, of course, Harvey's, where Harvey Gross had the very first gas station between Placerville and Carson City. If you needed to get gas, you had to stop at Harvey Gross's gas station. Of course, when you did, you played a little blackjack. Maybe you threw a few coins in the slot machines, and before you knew it, you were hooked, and you wanted to stay right here in Lake Tahoe. Since then, of course, Lake Tahoe has grown up, and has become very, very popular right here on the South Shore. We can see here on our left, Heavenly Ski Resort, the biggest ski resort in the United States in terms of acreage. Much of Heavenly Ski Resort is not even actual ski runs, but just tree runs here on the South Shore. Heavenly is unique because it's located in two states. Half of it's in California and half of it's in Nevada. Straight ahead as we continue along the South Shore, you can see how shallow the South Lake is. One of the reasons why they continued to develop the South Lake is because it's so flat here. But also, this part of the lake happens to be the natural filter for the lake. Much like a filter is on a swimming pool, the South Shore is the natural filter for Lake Tahoe. Now, over the years, they've developed South Lake so much that there's been a lot of sort of political unrest about how all the development has gone down, but the Tahoe Regional Planning Agency came in along with the League to Save Lake Tahoe, and they've done a very, very good job of controlling and mandating development here in Lake Tahoe, as well as protecting the lake and the clarity. The clarity of the lake is mainly protected by UC Davis, which actually has a research center in Incline Village and on the North Shore, and they monitor and protect the clarity of the lake through a small disc that they put on the side of a boat called a Secci disc. Now, in 1968, you could drop that disc down to almost 100 feet and see it clearly. In the early 2000s, that disc was only seen at about 68 feet. Now it's back up to about 75 feet, so they've done a pretty good job of controlling and maintaining the clarity of Lake Tahoe, which is an ongoing process.